Yeah, welcome to On the Surf. This is the family. On this channel, we're talking about boat stuff in general, boat life with kids, how it works with kids on the boat, how it works with dogs on the boat maintenance and boat restoration and boat repairs, and basically boat life in general. Please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, but it helps me out and keeps my motivation going. So please hit that subscribe button. Give the videos a thumbs up if you like the content. And if you don't, leave a comment below. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Yeah, it's been a while since the last episode. Sorry about that. But yeah, a couple of days ago it was 5-10 degrees and everything was looking good. But the weather changed, and this morning I woke up to this. So basically all boat work has come to a standstill, and yeah, now I'm just waiting for better weather. Yeah, last year at this time we have already launched the boat, and I have hoped to do that this year also. But before we launch the boat this year, we need to make a new soft top and some new wiring and some fiberglass work, because I'm gonna move, because as you can see here, the exhaust is precisely at the waterline. Actually, half of it is under the waterline. That means if the exhaust hose break, we will fill the whole boat with water and it will probably sink. So I had this gooseneck made. I've raised the exhaust by about half a meter above the waterline, and yeah, of course I'm gonna trim this and polish it and make it nice and shiny. But to be able to do that, I need to glass the hole from the old exhaust pipe, and I actually have one through hole that I need to glass in because I don't use it and I don't want unnecessary holes in the boat. And to be able to do fiberglass, you need some temperature, about 10-15 degrees Celsius, and a couple of days ago it was 8-10 degrees and I was really hopeful. And yeah, basically all boat work is at a halt and I'm just waiting for some nicer weather. So I'm gonna start with, just putting stuff in the boat that needs to be replaced and stuff that I didn't have last year. Yeah, so right now I'm doing unnecessary stuff like polishing this stainless steel anchor, making some other stuff that I really don't need to be doing with the boat out of the water, but since I can't do anything else, I do it right now. So I'm gonna take out all the stuff that's just gonna be mounted and replaced, so we can see all of that. All of this stuff is gonna be mounted in the boat. Some of it is replacement parts, some of it is new stuff, and some of it is stuff that's gonna be rebuilt, like electricity. I have a new main switch, 2 relays, some heavy duty fuses, and this is a quite nice thing. It's lanterns for the dinghy. It's battery powered, so if we ever need to take the dinghy when it's dark, you just slap this on the lines and we are good to go. And we're gonna put on this heat exchanger and make a fresh water conversion. Nej! And this is for the grabbing hook, carbon monoxide detector, some ladders and new fire extinguisher. Yeah, so that's that. This is a new safety ladder that's gonna be on the bowsprit. currently close to the boat. And this is a light with solar charge and movement sensor. So if we have the boat docked at night and when we go on the boat, it automatically will light up. That's that stuff being mounted. Yeah, I'm gonna show you one other thing that I'm doing when I'm waiting for better weather. Yeah, yesterday me and the kids was playing around in the workshop, making the lawnmower and some other stuff ready for the spring. And I did some inventory of my spare parts. And I found out, yeah, as you might know, you can never have too much spare parts, but I actually do have too much spare parts. So after a quick inventory, I noticed that I had enough spare parts to assemble a whole engine. So me and the kids are doing that in some spare time when Sandra is sleeping after a night's work. So if you want to see a video about that, let me know in the comments. And yeah, this is a bad busted up piston, and actually it's just the piston itself, and the push rod is good. It just needs some new rings and a new bearing, and it's good to go. But I'm gonna have this as a spare because I already have two others that's in good shape with new good rings and good bearings, so we're just gonna use them. Yeah, I got some questions about doing a Q&A episode. That's basically you ask questions and I answer as good as you can. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be a live episode, I think. It's gonna be my first live episode, and hopefully Sandra can be on that as well. So if you have any questions, leave them in a comment below and tell me what time it's gonna fit you. And remember, write what time zone you are in, and the time that's gonna fit most of you, I'm gonna do it in. And you can write the questions in both Swedish or in English. And if you write the questions in Swedish, I'm gonna answer it both in Swedish and in English. So now I'm just waiting for better weather, better temperature, and then we will launch the boat. So leave a comment below and see you next time.